Have you ever wondered how to start investing in the stock market? A world of highs, lows, bulls and bears. It can seem daunting at first, but fear not. Today we're going to unravel the complexities of the stock market and break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Educate yourself. The stock market isn't a gamble, it's a game of knowledge. Understand the basic terms. Stocks, also known as shares, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of that company. The value of the stock goes up and down based on the company's performance and the market's perception of its future prospects. Step 2. Set clear, realistic goals. Are you saving for retirement, funding your child's education, or hoping to buy a house? Your investment strategy will depend on your financial goals, your timeline, and your risk tolerance. Step 3. Start small. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest in the stock market. Even investing a small amount can lead to substantial growth over time. Practice with virtual trading platforms first, then when you're ready, commit a small amount you're comfortable with. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing in a variety of stocks from different sectors can help reduce risk. Step 5. Be patient. The stock market is a long-term investment. It's not about instant gratification, it's about growing wealth over time. And finally, Step 6. Regularly review your investments. The market changes, and so should your strategy. Regularly reviewing your portfolio can help you make adjustments as needed. In summary, understanding the basics of the stock market, setting clear goals, starting small, diversifying your portfolio, being patient, and regularly reviewing your investments are key steps in becoming a savvy investor. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. So, equip yourself with knowledge, make informed decisions, and watch your wealth grow over time. The world of stock market investing awaits you. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our financial learning channel. Subscribing will keep you updated with our latest videos. It's free and helps support our channel. Stay tuned for more financial insights and strategies. Happy investing!